present for Ari, 3 years old. Go get it. Go get it, Ari. Okay, out of the way, guys. I want to take a picture here.
Move, Ariana.
Move, Ari.
That's for you, honey. This is yours.
Get on it, Ari. That's yours. Look, watch Ryder. Watch Ryder.
Here we go.
Yeah, go, buddy.
Okay, now go.
Happy birthday, Ari.
Go. Do it.
Step on it. Hold it.
Ari, whenever you want to stop.
Go do it, Dad. Hear it, bud. Here, this way. Good job, Ari. Here, now push it. There you go. Do it. Push your foot.
Let's go.
Push your foot.
Let's go, Ryder. Oh, she's peeing.
Go, Ryder.
I'm sorry.
Traffic jam already. Do it.
Go.
Put it in high there. Okay, now go. Tara on 4-wheel. Wow!
Why is it raining today? Come see me. Come see me, Ari. Whoa!
Go, Ari, go. Go, go.
Go, Ari. Go, Ari.
Push it down. There you go. Push it all the way down, Ari. Use your toe. Use your toe.
He's got to get a little. He's got to get a little bigger, huh?
Push your toes down hard, Ari.
He needs shoes on with more sole.
You need